Hailuo is one of the best models for making videos with AI. It is optimized for realistic human motion, cinematic VFX, high action scenes, and strong prompt adherence. So in this video, we are going to see how we can use Hailuo to get the best AI videos. Let's get started. So Hailuo can be accessed from many platforms. You can use the official Hailuo website, which is hailuoai.video. And when you log in, this is the interface you're going to have. You can just go to video here, and here you can create your video. Other platforms you can use include Replicate or File AI. In my case, I'm going to use LearnHive because on LearnHive you have all the top AI models for image and video generation. So once you log into LearnHive, you are live on this page. Here on the video section, you can just click on Create Video. Then you have this interface where you can choose the model that you want to use and these other settings. So in our case, we are focusing on Hailuo. We're going to click on the drop down here. Then you can just scroll down so you can see all these video models are available to use. But we're going to scroll down to the Hailuo section. So we have Hailuo 2.3 and Hailuo 2. Then within these versions, we have different variations. So to get started, we're going to use Hailuo 2.3 here. So there are three ways in which we can make a video with Hailuo. So we can make a video using text to video, we can use image to video, and we can also use first frame and last frame. So for the first one, we're going to use text to video. Now, whenever you're making a video with text, you have to make sure to use a clear and detailed prompt. If you use a vague prompt, the output will be unpredictable. So you have to be as detailed as you can be. You have to describe the mood, the lighting, the camera movement, and the pacing. I've written a full guide on how to prompt Hailuo. The link is in the description. So let's start with text to image. So I'll just choose the text here. Then we'll go for 10 seconds. The aspect ratio will be 16:9. You can use the prompt optimizer here, but since I'm going to use a detailed prompt, I'll leave this one on off. Then for our prompt here, I'll just paste on this one. So this prompt is about a lady walking in the street, then it begins to rain and she looks for shelter somewhere. So once you're happy with all your settings, you can just click generate here. And this is what we get. So you can see Hailuo did very well here. If you look at the prompt and what has happened in the video, it's exactly as it was described, which is very good. For the next one, we're going to try image to video. So this is the image that we are going to use, and I'm going to do two for this one. For the first one, we have a very simple prompt. So we're just going to say they are happily dancing. So here you upload the image that you want to use. So in this case, you can see that our instruction is very simple. We are leaving most of the things to AI. This happens when you don't really have an idea of how you want your video to come out. So you just want to get the ideas from AI. Plus, we also have the image in this, meaning the AI has somewhere to start from. But if you already have the full picture in your mind, you can put the full prompt in here. And if you're fine with all your settings, you can just click generate. So here is the result that we get. So you can see the movement is very good, how the dress is moving, the hair, the physics of it is just very good. You can also see the reflection here, it's very realistic, so this is good. Although it was a very simple prompt, the result is very good. Okay, using the same settings and the same image, let's change the prompt slightly so that we specify the kind of dance that we want. So in this case, I'm saying they're happily dancing to this dance that I've specified. And when everything is okay, you click generate. So here is what we get. Okay, the dance is very similar to the dance that we have specified, which is very good. If you Google this dance, you'll see that whatever they are doing here is very similar to the original dance. Hailuo 2.3 is actually very good with such kind of scenes, higher trend scenes, dances, or anything like that. Now for the last one, let's try first frame and last frame. So at the moment, Hailuo 2.3 does not support last frame. So to use last frame with Hailuo, we'll go back to the models and choose Hailuo 2 here. Then once we have chosen the image, you can see that we have last frame here. Then last frame is only supported when the resolution is 768p. So if we switch to this one, you can see a warning here that last frame will not be supported. So the first frame is where the video is going to start from, and the last frame is where the video will end. So this gives you a lot of control when you're making videos. First and last frame is one of the best features to look out for in AI models. So for this one, we're going to use these two images. Want to go from the first image to the last image. This is a very popular application in motion graphics. So we have our two images and the prompt we are saying slowly zoom in and animate the words to reveal the robot part. And here, because I want a shorter animation, I'll just put it at 6 seconds. And once you're happy with everything, you just say generate. Here is the result that we get. Okay, I love that the heart is also moving, which is very good. So you can also add to the prompt that the heart should be pumping or anything like that. If you are doing this manually, it will take you a lot of time. And first frame and last frame open up a lot of applications that you can use, especially in motion graphics, creating AI movies, and making transformations. So that's what you can do with Hailuo AI. If you want to try it, I'll leave the link in the description. If you want to see how you can use LTX for video generation, that video is up here. I'll see you over there.